What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Market looks fantastic after a close yesterday that was not very good because of Bybit. But we're back, baby. We're back. The market is gaining the momentum that it had lost before. So absolutely fantastic there. So let's go through it, guys. Let's have a look at what's happening. Jasmine up 1.4% of the day, down 4% on the week, down 22 on the month, but up 65 on the year. Even in rank at 79, $1.03 billion market cap with 29, almost 30 million in volume. Swift Coin up 3.8% on the day, down 15.3 on the week, up 46.6 on the month, and up 435 on the year. We're up 8 spots in rank to 263. 10 spots in rank to 261 now. $171 million market cap and 13 million in volume. Going over to XCN, guys, looking absolutely juicy. Up 9.3% on the day, down 16.7 on the week, down 22 on the month, but up 1,042 on the year. Up 6 spots in rank to 110, $644 million market cap and 127 million in volume. Zebec up almost 14% on the day, up 66% on the week, up 109% on the month, up 21 spots in rank to 310, $137 million market cap and 19 million in volume. All right, let's jump over to the Bitcoin chart first. Let's see what we got going on, guys. So once again, thanks to Bybit, trending sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 daily candles in a row, guys. 22 sideways candles in a row. However, I think we'll make another run at it. Look at this. We had this fantastic close above 98,300. And then Bybit just screwed us, right? We fell all the way back down to 94.8 before wicking back up. But anyway, that's the past, guys. That's the past. I believe going into next week, if it wasn't for Bybit, we would already be above $101,000, in my opinion. We were working in that direction. We got up to, look at that, we got all the way up to $99,500, man. And then Bybit screwed us. So I think that this is just kind of a setback. Hopefully, next week we can get back up there and try again. I think that we'll make it this time, barring nothing big happening. No more coincidences taking place, right, when the market starts pumping. And we'll kind of take it from there. So Jasmine exactly correlated with Bitcoin's chart as it has been for just as long of a period of time. As you can see, exactly the same as Bitcoin, just going sideways, right? So waiting for Bitcoin to make its move, and then Jasmine will follow suit, guys. So just got to stay close, stay committed to the plan, and we'll see what happens. But as long as we stay above this trend line, we're good on closing on a regular basis, closing candles. So because that is our, if you don't know, that is our yearly structure. We have a year-long bullish structure of putting in higher lows and higher highs here. So as long as we continue to do that, we don't start putting in lower highs or lower lows and lower highs below this trend line, then we're fine, right? So yeah, that's what I'm watching there. Let's go have a look over at XCN. What's happening there? XCN broke out and then came back inside. We got up to 2 cents 155, and then the selling pressure put us right back down inside of this falling wedge pattern. We could make another attempt at it sometime in the next, I don't know, 17, 18 hours. We'll see if we can make another attempt at the breakout. What matters, guys, again, it doesn't matter where the wicks go. It matters where these close. If we can close outside of here, maybe retest and then go, that would be fantastic. The breakout is coming on XCN, guys. Just got to be patient, right? We tried. I mean, they tried to push us lower than 1 cent, 72, but the buying pressure has just been too powerful at those lows, guys. People see it as a prime buying opportunity. So it's going to be hard to push us down lower if they try again. Swift Coin trying to put in a pump of its own here, as you can see, making a little bit of a juicy run. Can we get back up to this level here, 1 cent 81? That would be a good start. We're at 1 cent 74 right now. Let's get back up inside this box. Hopefully this doesn't act like too much of a resistance level at 1 cent 81. But we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. So far, so good, guys. Market is turning around, guys. Market is turning around. Zebec also tried to break out today. Look at this little bad boy. We broke out above here. We broke earlier today. We broke up all the way to 20198, almost 202. And then wick back inside. We closed inside of our bull pennant here again. This is very similar to Onyx Coin last month. Very similar. We got a spinning top candle right now. We're neutral. We'll likely drop back down inside of here tomorrow and probably ping pong inside of this bull pennant for a little bit longer before we really get that breakout. As you can see, we've broken out of this bull pennant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times now and collapsed back down inside of it. So we're trying to get that breakout. But when we break out of this, here's the thing, guys. When we break out of this, we want to do it with enough force that we smash above this level here, because as you can see, it's been a significant level of resistance as well. So it has to be strong enough to get us through there, to not only get past there, but to close a daily candle past there as well, right? So keep that in mind. That's what we'll be paying attention to on Zebec. All right, a couple of quick things to look at here with our favorite projects. Zebec, so courtesy of Jetpack, community contributor, friend of the channel. He says not only is Zebec one of the top payment tokens in the financial sector, but also one of the top tokens to help earn a passive income. That's right. Top tokens to buy. Don't miss these high potential crypto picks. There you go, guys, from Coin Gabber. Zebec, right alongside XRP. Very, very bullish, guys. What do we have? Staking and rewards. You can stake Zebec token to earn rewards. Staking, there's a little paw over top of that word. Locking up your tokens for a period of whatever time frame. I can't see it. Secure the network, and in return, you get more tokens. It's a great way to earn passive income while supporting the project, guys. Just like XCN, guys. Very, very bullish. Except with XCN, your tokens are not actually locked up. You can withdraw at any time. But yeah, a fantastic opportunity here, guys, with Zebec for staking as well. I know I'm definitely looking into it, guys. Passive income without selling your cryptocurrency. It is possible to say this is possibly the single biggest benefit of crypto staking. Basically, you're letting your crypto assets keep earning money even if the price isn't going up, and you can continue to do it without selling. With some staking pools, you can earn a double-digit annual percentage yield, and that's where Zebec and XCN come into play. There you go, Zebec network staking now live. For 1 month, you get 8%. For 3 months, you get 12%. For 4 months, you get 15%. You love to see that, guys. You love to see it. Also, a new listing for Zebec. If you didn't see it, guys, Bityanex has listed them. Spot listing. I know I shared this over on the Patreon, but I don't think I talked about it on the channel. Very, very bullish there. New spot listing for Zebec. Going over to Chain and XCN, guys, you can now build your own apps. Discover how they can help you at chain.com, helping people build apps now. Very, very bullish. Now, the final question that I get asked this all the time is the arrival in 8 days of Goliath going to pump the price of Onyx Coin? And here's what I would say to you guys. Do not build this up in your mind to have a massive expectation of hundreds of percentages in pumps because of this coming out. While this is phenomenal news, guys, and I cannot overstate that how big this is in terms of news, it doesn't necessarily always translate to massive pumps in the short term, right? And the problem in crypto is that a lot of people, especially when it comes to catalysts, they build up expectations in their own minds about how high something can go based on a catalyst like this, for example. And when it doesn't perform to the level, the unrealistic level that they were anticipating, they get angry at the project, they start fighting, they start being negative and toxic online because they didn't get their way. What I would say, guys, is be prepared for the worst, but expect the best. Do not sit there expecting a 300% pump because Goliath went live. Don't expect any pump. There might not be anything. It might be a 5 or 10% move on the day or something like that, right? I've been around long enough to tell you that I've seen this kind of stuff happen often, and it doesn't do anything to the price at all. People, you have to understand something here, okay? And this is something that people get indoctrinated into in crypto. They think that this asset class and projects price action runs on catalysts, and that's not the case. Catalysts from time to time can help with a spike in price, absolutely, but that is not what drives crypto prices. Liquidity drives the prices. Money flow drives the prices, not catalysts, okay? So understand that, and you will be a lot less disappointed when stuff like this comes around and it doesn't do anything for the price. While it is extremely bullish for the project in the long term, it does not necessarily equate to a 200% return in the day that it launches, okay? Similar to what I say about Jasmy and being in the innovation zone, the monitoring zone on Binance. Everyone talks about it like it's this big thing. It's been built up to be this bigger than life expectation. And I can tell you right now, my suspicion is when they finally get removed from the monitoring zone, it's probably not going to do anything to the price at all. And people are going to be angry and they're going to blame the project and they're going to say, oh, this project sucks, man. Not even getting out of the innovation zone could pump it. This sucks. I'm selling, right? Meanwhile, you built it up in your own mind for it to be something. Nobody promised you it was going to be some big thing. You did that to yourself. And then you get mad at the project because of a lack of accountability facing inwards, right? So a lesson that I would love people to learn if you're new to crypto, guys, take it from someone who's been around for a long time. Catalysts don't drive this market. Liquidity does, right? Invest in your favorite projects and allow time for your investments to mature. That is how investing is done. Okay? Anything less is going to end up getting you wrecked. Not financial advice. You do you. So listen, guys, good news, very, very good news. I dropped a massive gem over on the Patreon tonight in the live. You don't want to miss it. Get over there, guys. Check out this one. Extremely low market cap, extremely good narrative, guys. Available on many, many exchanges. This thing's going to pop, in my opinion. The tokenomics are phenomenal. Phenomenal tokenomics. Some of the best I've seen. So check it out. I dropped it tonight. This one's going to fly, guys, in my opinion. Similar to Zebec, similar to XCN. We keep nailing these plays, guys. You do not want to miss it. If I told you you could jump over there, guys, and you could get in on this gem early and make a massive potential return, right, along with the 6 other gems that we're accumulating right now, you could join our live group video calls that we do every single night. You could book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me for free over there. And I've also created a new Discord that is exclusively for the Patreon members only, and that's free with the Patreon as well. If I told you you could have all of that, and all I want you to do is buy me a Happy Meal. Would you buy me a Happy Meal? Of course you would buy me a Happy Meal, because if you know that if you don't like it, if you go over there and you're like, you know what, this isn't for me, you can leave. It's not, right? You're not locked in anything. There's no hidden nothing. You can just say, okay, it isn't what I like. You know, I'm going to leave. And guess what? It costs you the price of a Happy Meal, right? Other places other content creators charge you $100 up to $1,000. I just want you to buy me a Happy Meal. Okay, so check it out, guys. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain, and I can promise you 2 things. Okay, one, you're going to learn something that's going to help you be a better trader and a better investor. And two, once you become a part of our community of over 1,800 people, you chat with everybody over in our Discord, over in the Patreon chats and stuff. You see some of these gems, you're not going to want to leave. So click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Link to the Patreon is down in the description. I'll see you guys tomorrow.